Hey, what's up friends? Welcome back to SMC Health and Fitness. This is Syed Muzammil, Health, Fitness and Nutrition Coach. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get an instant update on my latest videos. I was just preparing my before bed protein date shake. So I thought, why can't I share this recipe with you all guys? I consumed this shake 30 minutes before the bed. So let's see what all the ingredients we need for this. First we need a jar and I am adding 5 soaked dates here. This one I have soaked it for minimum of 3 to 4 hours. First we'll just blend this and make it a smooth paste. We just need to grind this for at least 20 seconds and I'll be adding 300 ml of milk. And then a scoop of whey protein. Whey protein is completely optional. You can skip this also. So now let's blend this. We'll just give it a small mix and we'll just blend. So now our protein date shake is ready. You can surely give it a try and comment down me below how was the taste. I just love the taste of it. So I hope you find this video useful guys. If you want more videos like this, just comment down me below. See you on my next video. Take care guys. Bye.